These traits reveal you are a spiritual leader, and you don't know it. Healers are needed desperately in this age to save the world from destruction. They are unique in the sense they bring people out of their suffering into the relieving light. Owing to the current situation of things in the world, a lot of people are hopeless, and it's the duty of the healers to restore their hope and faith and lift them from their despondence. People are tired of living in fear and despair, so a wave of healing will be timely. There might be a healer, or you can be one yourself, and you'll have no idea. This is because the gift of healing can present itself in many subtle ways. Healing is a ripple effect. The healer has to heal themselves first and then extend the gift to others. Or rather, it spreads outward to others. There are some signs that may point you towards the direction of healing as a gift. If you enjoy watching our videos, please help by clicking that like button below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any exciting updates in the future. They include, you're an empath. Highly sensitive people with empathy find the bustle of the world very draining. All of the negative happenings around the world are absorbed by the spiritual healers, and this saps them of their pure energy in exchange. They often consider their high sensitivity a curse because it leaves them empty after the exchange of energies. However, their great blessings as their pure energy helps to heal the world. 2. You often want to be alone. Healers do not dislike people, they do better when they're on their own. It's as simple as that. As earlier pointed out, they get drained by the negative energy of the world around them. Therefore, they deserve to be alone for some time to balance up their energy and recharge sufficiently. 3. You feel there is more to life than just the conventional. Spiritual healers often feel caged in the system of the world, which is just revolving around the business of making money. They feel empty and lost when they're not following and fulfilling their purposes. The trend of the world, which is making money, has gotten in the way of spiritual healers fulfilling their purposes, which is to help others. Financial constraints and time have made them derail from their primary aim, and although they're not happy about it, there's little to be done about this development. Does your day job make you feel trapped? And do you zone out imagining how you'll help lessen the burden of people? You might be a spiritual healer. 4. People often seek your advice. You're constantly sought out by people to help proffer solutions and pieces of advice to their problems because you always have ready answers for them. Your life might be messy, but you're always in the perfect shape to solve the problems of other people and have the time to lend them listening ears. Your sensitivity makes you reach out to people and help draw them out of their misery. 5. Your intuition is on point. A major characteristic of a spiritual healer is that they are more emotional than logical. Your intuition seldom fails when it comes to making decisions. You always know when things don't add up, and you trust your instincts to guide you. Do you see yourself in this picture most of the time? You could be a spiritual healer. 6. You have had mental disorders. A lot of issues force healers to go into their shells. They feel that they don't fit in the system of the world, but unfortunately, there's nowhere else to run to. The constant hustle, bustle, confusion, and gyrations of the world stress them, and if they can't take control and be in charge of what and how they feel, their mental health will suffer a breakdown. They tend to stay away from everyone else to regain balance and their much-needed self-charge. 7. Social scenarios drain your energy. If the ordinary chores carried out by the regular human wears you out easily, this might be a sign you're a healer. You find that mingling and mixing up with social situations, such as being in a meeting, dealing with traffic, hanging out around a crowd of people, makes you wish you could magically appear on your bed. You try as much as possible to avoid social interaction, except when they're indispensable. 8. You read people and can sense their emotions. This trait can be inarguably the most vivid sign or confirmation that one is a healer. If you're good at reading people by just watching their faces or observing their body languages, it might be you're a spiritual healer. 9. You are drawn to healing jobs. You're naturally drawn to jobs that concern healing. This includes careers in the medical profession, environment, and ecosystem sustainability. You might as well be a healer. These types of jobs help enhance their purpose and make their light shine brighter in their places of work. 10. People have positive vibes whenever they're around you. Do people feel relaxed, comfortable, calm, and happy around you, despite whatever is happening in their lives and surroundings? Whether you're leading a perfect life or just managing to weather the many storms ravaging you, light can never be hidden, and people will always find you and seek out a way to connect with your energy. You emit positive vibes that make them relaxed, comfortable, calm, peaceful, and happy around you. You're most definitely a spiritual leader. 11. You feel different. You've always been and felt different. You're not in tune with all the razz the world comes with. 12. You dream of a perfect world. You've always had your head up in the clouds about how perfect things should be. But my dear, welcome back to planet Earth. 13. You're a thinker. Due to the fact that you're always dreaming of a perfect world, you have intense thoughts with a perspective that captures the bigger picture. 14. You feel a deep connection to nature. You seem to prefer the company of nature and animals to that of humans in your quest to find peace. 15. You're a good listener. You may not be much of a talker, but you sure know how to listen. You listen with all your senses, which makes you able to read people and their emotions. It also makes people come to you with their problems. Lastly, for your information, we've got the safest and most effective way to relieve anxiety, pain, and sleeplessness without addictive painkillers. Please learn more about this at the description section below. So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video. And if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. Thanks for watching.